Understanding the seedling stage in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, the seedling stage. This term is often used metaphorically, and understanding it can add richness to your English vocabulary. Let's dive in and learn about its meanings and uses. First, let's understand what a seedling is. A seedling refers to a young plant that has grown from a seed. This stage is just after the sprouting, when the plant is still small and beginning to develop. It's a crucial phase in a plant's life cycle, full of growth and potential. In English, we often use phrases from nature metaphorically. The seedling stage is used to describe the early stages of development in various contexts. It could be the beginning of a business, the initial phase of a project, or the early stages of learning a new skill. This phrase conveys a sense of growth, potential, and care that is needed in these early stages. Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. Our startup is currently in the seedling stage, where every decision can significantly impact our growth. 2. As a musician, he is in his seedling stage, learning the basics of music theory and practice. 3. This project is still in the seedling stage, so we need to be patient and nurture it carefully. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios to describe the beginning and nurturing phase. Understanding phrases like seedling stage is important for English learners because it helps in comprehending the nuances of the language. Such phrases add depth to your conversations and writings, making your English more fluent and natural. I hope this video has helped you understand the seedling stage and how you can use it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, learning a language is like growing a plant. It takes time, patience, and care. Keep nurturing your English skills, and you'll see them flourish. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.